Hey guys, it's Matt from Bullion Now, and finally, it's been such a long time coming, we have the Kilo Tiger. They finally arrived, and we've got plenty of them for now. This is the third in the series. It's been highly sought after. We've had a couple of delays. I'll save you the visual of me unboxing all of these. So here's one. Here's quite literally one we've prepared earlier. So there it is, the third in the series, always popular in the kilo size. So as is often the case with the kilo coins, it's just a modest premium above what you'd expect to pay for a cast bar. And for your money, you get something a bit different for your stack. So I'm a bit of a sucker for the coins, so it's something that I always prefer, but bear in mind, this does run you the risk of getting attached to your stack. So if you ever want to sell and you're loaded up with these, it can be a little bit of an emotional departure. So just be mindful of that when you're getting into the coins, but they are a lot of fun and something that I personally have a soft spot for. That's it for now. They should be up on the website now. Click the link in the description and enjoy.